Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A12, and let me show you how to update apps on this phone. So at first you need to open your Play Store, tap on More icon then, and select My Apps and Games. And here you will find all apps that can be updated, right under Updates. So here they are, and you can either pick one particular app to update by tapping on Update. And here you'll be able to observe the progress. So at first it will be downloaded and then installed, but let me stop it. Because you can also update all apps at once. To do it, just tap on Update All, and then all apps of yours will be updated. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way. You can call your friend, watch some movie, just do whatever you want to, and it will be done in the background. So this is it. This is how you can stay up to date with your apps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.